Our food is not ready. Local Nzema food in Potroba. It's not ready, so we'll be serving inside this Asanka Poyoyo, the local blender. Hi, that's the way. Oh no, true. I'm back to the band of your idea. In that space today, there was a Batman inside of it. And let's have a bite to see.
It's sweet very well.
Hello brothers, sisters, how are you doing? This is your boy Cooking with Sindaco. I'm back again. Yeah, so I'm in Takrady and I found this family over here and they are preparing one of the local food they have in Nzema. They're originally from Nzema and they've migrated to Takrady, Banchase, you know. And this food that I prepared is called Mpatriba.
Yes.
Mpatriba is basically it's a local food from the Nzema side. Basically, it's condo food with fresh fish kind of soup, and it's about to go down. So if this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell your friend, tell your brother, Cooking with Sindaco. Make sure you share the video. Very important. Let's do this. Record of one. So they have the tomatoes, onion, pepper, ginger, garlic, and the fresh fish over here. So this food, you need fresh fish to prepare this food. It's a typical Nzema food from the western region. Nzema, and it's called Betreba. So you need the condo. Mole. A little bit of water is being added to the condo. You have to make sure that you don't add more to soften it. Okay. So we have our condo over here, and this is what you have. You have a condo and being mixed like this with a bit of water. Yeah. So we have our hot water on fire, and as soon as it's boiled, the condo will come inside. So we have something like this, like doing kenke. Okay. So. Even from start in the
No. Yeah.
It's being molded like the foam type because water needs to pass through the middle to boil it. You know. So this is a family affairs in Takrady,
Western.
Yeah, West Side Legacy. Okay, so now that we have our boiling water. Okay, so go see like that. Like if you've seen the full video that I did, it was done like this so that the water can pass through and boil it nicely. Okay. Okay, so this is the steak that we have now. It's been like 5-7 minutes since it was added, and we have something like this. So we turn it to the other side and make sure that it boils very well. You know, in Patreba, I'm being used to that. I'm repeating busy. And I have to do what is for spaghetti. We create a carrot cookie inside. I'm calling a dish and I dinner.
I meet.
And everybody I have everybody.
Me too.
I meet you soon. Okay, so maybe that answer. Hey, bro, you're 27 today. Anyway, you better call.
That's so soon.
That's also what to home. Okay, so after turning it, we have something like this. Okay. We are using the water from the condo to steam the fish. You know, no sign. So it goes in like that. Hey. Wow. I don't know. Okay, onion comes inside like that, and our blended ingredients also comes in like that. Okay, so the rest of the onion goes on top like that. So in Mpatriba, this is the steps in the process of how Mpatriba is done. So if you're in Nzema, you're proud that I'm here in your hometown and bringing you local food. Okay, so we now mash the condo, the boiled condo. Yeah, you mash everything together like this. Okay, so we mash it like that until everything becomes smooth and soft. Yeah, so water is being added on top. Then what? Sprinkle good up. Add there, but yeah, now add some salt to it, pinch of salt, and chukum. This will be going inside the soup in small particles. And then I was asking then why can't you buy just kinky and make the soup, then you eat it? They said, no, if you do it like that, you have a different taste and a different flavor. So this will give a different flavor, different from normal kinky and the soup. Anyway, you know, I'm here to find out what some pastoba is here to offer. Okay, so we have our boiling soup over here. About to add in our NGBOTRIBA, and it goes in like that. So it goes in like that. Place them one by one. Man, it's no we are so. Which we are so? Okay. As I said, this is amazing. Okay, so we have a pot full of pastoba, and so that now the tomatoes comes in like that to change the whole atmosphere. Anyway. Wow. Man, this is beautiful, you know. This is amazing. Pastoba. I didn't remember what I'm okay, so since left it. Okay, so this is a peel. Okay.
If you say get my power away, get my person brother. Biakuyo. I need to wash him. Biakuyo. I'm halfway. I need to wash him.
It don't know you. You don't put you in it's oklo. Odi. Nema yebia. Nina 3-in-1. Okay. Wow.
You got chance.
So basically, this is in pastoba, and like everything is done. Nothing will be added again, and you have to leave it on fire for it to boil. So that the corn will be ready. Okay, so our food is now ready. Local Nzema food in pastoba. It's not ready, so we'll be serving inside this asanka poyoyo, the local blender. Yeah? Okay. So basically, kenke and soup, yeah, but made in a different way, with a different style and twist. From the Nzema land, Esiama, Adzim, Afasim, Libo, just name it, yeah? Nzulezu, yeah,
all Nzema.
Mazrel. It's all right, the kind thing. Okay. So this food is now ready, and let's have a bite to see.
It's sweet well.
Kodo. Okay. Amazing. It went home. Wow. So you feel the corn flavor, the corn dough flavor inside this, and it's a different twist altogether. It's different from just buying kenke and putting inside the soup. It's a different way altogether. It's a different twist altogether. Melon. So take some of the fish, the fresh fish. You can also use smoked fish, but you need to have fish that will be able to break inside it or break your friendly. Not that much dry, not that much dry, but a fish that has a bit of water content in it, like mackerel or salmon. Okay, yeah. So fish and pastoba. So this is a typical Nzema food, and man, I believe you've seen the steps and the procedure how this is done. And if you're in abroad and from Nzema, and if you miss this food, man, I've brought this back to your friends at doorstep. So try out your hand on this one, and let me know in the comment section if you're able to do it. So if this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother, cooking with Sindaco. Let's meet again for Shizzle Manezo. I'm out. One. I'm not going to fair anyone. Fair. Nzema all the way. Very delicious. Really delicious.